All right, today, see if we can find and replace the fuel filter on our 2000 V6 Mustang here. I was so spoiled with my more modern car, definitely out of the habit of turning the lights off because they're supposed to be automatic, right? So here's the rear def, and here's the trunk, and right here next to me is the gas tank. All right, here is our fuel filter. So I'm going to take this off. It looks like it just pulls out of there. Out of these little, there's like retaining, no, what is that? Like a retaining clip? What on earth? I've never seen such a thing. They're not like screw-on style. I don't know what to do. Maybe there's instructions in the box. No, there's not. It's just great when you don't know what you're doing. How do I get this off? Do I just pull back on it? Watch me end up with a mouthful of gasoline. Or do I just... I betcha I'm thinking these clamps just come off. Ouch. Look at that. You just pull the clamp off, both sides, maybe. Yes? Question mark? Okay. So you just pull the clamps off. They dangle there. And I'm betting you just pull this out. So let me get a little stubby screwdriver to take this clamp off. And then I bet you just pull it out. I'm guessing. If that's it, that's pretty easy. Let me go get a stubby screwdriver and a drain pan. Would probably be handy too. Stubby screwdriver. Do I have one? Yep, right here. Right where it's not supposed to be. But I knew that I would find one where it wasn't supposed to be. Drain pan now. Drain pan. Where would I be if I were a drain pan that was not put back where I'm supposed to be? Where would I have been left by the guy that didn't put me back where I was supposed to be? What on earth? Oh, drain pan. It is significantly warmer in the garage, even though there's not much sunshine today. At all. It's all cloudy. Just goes to show there's some energy that still gets through. Where are you, drain pan? Kind of smells funny in here. I don't think an animal got in, but... Oh, it's those new tires for the lawnmower. That's what it is. Oh, I am starving. Why am I so hungry? I know what I'll use. Yeah. A metal bucket. That'll work fine. Wow, those rubber tires. The smell is just fantastic, I tell you. Just really top-notch smell there. All right, I'm back. Can you still hear me? Yeah, maybe. Is that me? I'm not very smelling good. Stubby. Are you kidding me? Is that a flat tip? Oh, that's a flat tip that goes there. Back out. That's all right. I got a stubby flat tip, I think. Maybe not. Short-ish. Yep. Oh, ow. I would definitely like... What do I smell? Oh, it's the bucket I'm smelling. Yep, it stinks. like and I'm not crooked. Ah, zinger. Zinger. You know, they put this thing here. You can't get straight on it. Of course, if I was using a real stubby, I could probably get to it easier. All right, it's turning. At least it's turning. That's good. Oh. Keep going. Come on. And now we're getting easier. Of course, I could have sprayed a little WD-40 on it, given it a few minutes, but it's cold. I want to get done. All right, so I loosened that. Can I slide it out now? Or I really don't want to loosen this clamp all the way. That'd be, seems like it'd be not a good idea. Just like getting little bits of metal in your eye. Also, probably a good idea. Maybe I can just slide it out of the way. Maybe. Close my eyes while I do it. To not get stuff in them. At least I can get it out of the screwdriver better. Oh, there it goes. Nice and loose now. Kinda, sorta. All right. And we are free. I just need to get my stinky bucket here under and try not to get gasoline all over myself. Does this pull straight back like I suspected? Maybe, maybe not. Man, this bucket stinks. Fingers getting cold. It just pushes over these here. If you can see that. I should just push over. But I'm not getting it to pull off of there. Wait, what's this? Are these like some kind of a special tool maybe? What are these? Little things that come with a new one. I do not know. Clippies of some sort. Clips. I don't see how that would do anything. They should just pull off. I mean, really. They ought to just yank right off. Because that's why these are just like clamps to hold them from pulling off, right? Right. Oh, just let it go. My shoulders are going to be mad at me tomorrow. Because they're not used to doing this. I'm a school teacher, for crying out loud. Like Bones from Star Trek talking to Captain Kirk, right? Damn it, Jim. I'm not a doctor, not a mechanic. Of course, in some ways, doctors are like mechanics, aren't they? Let it go. Holy mackerel. Just let go. What do they call this? A worm gear style or whatever? Let it go, worm. Can't be much left. Sheesh. So they come in, and as you squeeze it, they go out. So I'm wondering if I can, it is a question, if I can get it in here and squeeze to force them off. Get out of the way so gas doesn't go in my eye so much. And just give it a good squeeze. Oh, Oh, I'm able to get a good squeeze on it. It's not coming. So there must be some sort of thing I must do to pop that off. Oh, that's why you do your research before you start. So there's supposed to be apparently a tool of some sort. Super awesome sauce. It's up there. Can we even see? You cannot. It's right there. I swear. I swear it's right. Is there night vision? Flashlight. Flashlight. That's not flashlight. What is flashlight? What? Isn't that a flashlight? There. Oh, wow. There we go. Okay. That would have been good to have on earlier. So here are the clips that I put back on. Oh, this is so much better. And there was a hose clamp running around this whole thing to hold it. That sucker does not, it's not going to come out of there. I mean, it's clamped here, and it's got these safety clips on it where it's clamped there, and to keep the hoses from coming out. So it's good. It's good. So we're on. Oh, let's do a start check. Whew. All right, look for, keep an eye out for leaks, okay? Let's see here. Oh, good, I left the key. All right, well, it pulled that new fuel in nice and easy. Make sure I'm in neutral. It's always good. See any leaks under here? I don't. Hey, you know what? That idle sounds better. That is not my imagination. That is definitely idling better. So, I think it'd be safe to say that maybe there was something going on in here. I mean, that fuel looks clean, but the filter might have been doing its job. It's clogged up in there, maybe. I have no idea when the last time it was done. But we don't have drippage, I don't think. I'm looking. Let me get under there. Ugh. Of course, I have no idea what these were for. That's good. But, yeah. We're dry. And we're running. No leaks. Okay. Cap. Junk. Box. Well, I guess we can put the old one in the box. Where are you, old one? Over there. This thing ain't gonna do anything. Not needed. Let's get the tools out of the way. Let's get this thing in the garage and get inside and warm up. Whew. Warm up again, I should say. So the little tool worked. It definitely worked. Oh, $11 is what my wife says she paid for it. I guess I'd say, you know, well worth it. You're supposed to replace those every 30,000. So, you know, I guess you're doing it every couple of years for most people. We probably won't drive this one that much. But, yeah, let me actually put that in a drawer. So maybe I won't lose it. Hey, sis. Yeah, well, my gigantic audience. We're just wrapping up the fuel filter swap-aroo. Swaparooski. Now they're gonna watch me put it to bed because everybody wants to see the Mustang go night-night. I just, you gotta remember, just don't back in. You gotta get off those. you gotta get off of those first before backing up, or you'll have not so much a good day. Oh my heavens, it is definitely getting chilly. Oof. Let's get these off to the side. Ramps. Words are hard. They're ramps, right? I don't know where to put this mic. I never know where to put it. That's pretty good right there. All right, yeah, I hear you. You don't want your door left open. I agree.
We've got the youngest team in the country, and so it does take time. But are we halfway through? A little past.
Whoa! A little too far. A little too far to the left. Attempt number 2.
We're a little bit farther than that, but it's all right. Let's go. We got to.
Looks a little better.
What I tried to do last week is play.
Still a little too far to the left,
and then figure out.
but that's okay.
You're not quite at halfway because you're in at some point. That's what you're trying to do. What about Rob? Was he able to get back on practice today? Yeah, he was pretty good today. You were in the shoot around. The kid looked like,
All right. Oh. Yeah. We're not taking this car to work tomorrow because it's supposed to rain and be gross. And that'll just slip by. And I know it's not like the greatest car ever, but it's not even the newest car I have. It's the oldest. But it's in pretty good shape. So it'd be a shame to get like a bunch of salt all over it and whatever else. I'm gonna put my tools away here. Whew. I don't know how well you can see my breath, but I can see it. It's I think it's just about to drop under freezing, and I'm in a sweater. Like, you dummy, put some more clothes on. Well, again, I don't do everything the right way, and when you don't do everything the right way, you expect to get gasoline on yourself. And this is my old grubby sweater. Oh, hands are, it's cold. So this goes in the trash. Yeah. Dump the gas out of it already. Yeah, that little pail. And that'll just evaporate out. It won't take long. Have a good one. Oh.